to the living area and the dining area. L-shaped, and it has amazing connectivity to the kitchen. So now let's come back to the bedroom. This is the master bedroom which... Hello and welcome to Housey, India's only online platform जहाँ पे listing करते हैं सीधे developers, thereby giving you the bottommost price guaranteed. Unlike other real estate platforms जहाँ पे listing करते हैं brokers और आपको आते हैं unlimited unwanted calls, at Housey ऐसा नहीं होता है. यहाँ पर हम आपका कनेक्ट करवाते हैं सीधे डेवलपर के साथ. और आज मैं आपको लेकर आई हूँ एक खूबसूरत से सैंपल फ्लैट के वीडियो के लिए, which is located in Majestic Tower East. Stay with me and let me show you the beauty of this apartment. Let's go. And here is the 824 square feet 2 BHK apartment. Now, of course, at the entrance you get a digital door lock which can be operated with your fingerprint, with a numeric lock, with a digital key, and you have space for your shoe racks. But wait a second, before you come inside the house, let me warn you, you are going to be awestruck, because I was. So be prepared for this beautiful sight over here and the space for your shoe racks. You enter into the living area and the dining area. Now, why did I say that you're going to be awestruck is because there is a very special thing about this apartment, and that is the balcony. They are giving away huge balconies only on the first floor apartments. If you miss it out, then you're going to miss out on a very big opportunity. And why, I'll tell you, walk out with me. This balcony is not a balcony, it's practically speaking a terrace, which is covered also, half of it, and it comes with this wooden finished ceramic tiles which are anti-skid, have a long life and are very beautiful. If you notice, the balcony, or the terrace as I'm gonna call it, is almost as huge as your apartment in itself. Now, I told you you're gonna be awestruck, but wait for it, the house is yet to be seen. Now, over here you will notice that there is a step that comes up into the house, because of which rainwater will not enter the house very easily, and there is this sliding door also, जिसकी वजह से जगह काफी बचती है. यहाँ पर हम आ जाते हैं from the living area right into the dining area, which is being made into an L-shaped, and it has amazing connectivity to the kitchen. किचन को भी ज्यादा दीवारें देके ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट नहीं किया गया है ताकि बहुत सारी जगह वेस्ट ना हो. किचन में यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएंगी 2 विंडोज, जिसकी वजह से because of this window your dining area stays well lit. There is cross ventilation between the balcony and this window. There is yet another window in the kitchen, because of which your kitchen will stay well lit and this area stays dry also. But there is also a dry balcony. Now, the dry balcony is right over here and it is covered from 3 sides, and it also comes with anti-skid tiles. Before we leave the kitchen, let's take a quick look at this L-shaped granite slab over here, which makes things easier to use, and also there is a compartment over here for your refrigerators. Now, both the bedrooms are clustered in one corner, and right next to your dining area, यहाँ पर उन्होंने आपको wash basin दिया हुआ है, जिसके right बाजू में है common toilet and wash area. This is a pretty big area. On the top also you can have a clothes dryer, and the washroom comes with anti-skid tiles and wall-to-wall vitrified tiles as well. इसके opposite is the kids' bedroom, which is right over here. Now, the kids' bedroom comes with a special place over here for your wardrobes, and I'm not going to call this a bay window, because it is actually a door that gives you complete access to your balcony. If it is on the first floor, if it is on the above floors, then it is going to, of course, be a bay window. So now let's come back to the bedroom. This is the master bedroom, which has an attached toilet and wash to it right over here, which comes with anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, and also a tile drop to separate wet and dry areas. Along with that, the bedroom, when I was standing over here and talking, I'm sure you noticed a window right behind me. So there are 2 windows which have been placed diagonally opposite to each other, so that there is perfect cross ventilation and the room stays lit from both the sides. यहाँ पर भी, in case you are on the 2nd floor or above, you will get a bay window, but here you get a direct access to the balcony via this window or the door. And of course, there is good space over here for your wardrobes as well. Now, you know what? I am going to indulge right into the balcony because I'm absolutely in love with this place. I'm going to see you here very soon. Thank you very much. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Majestic Towers East, located in Kharadi, Pune by Majestic Landmarks.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.